The Giulia and Stelvio quadrifolios are dead in America officially after 2024. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where it's truly an end of an era and a somber one for us Alfa Romeo enthusiasts, as the Italian marquee will officially stop sales of the most exciting, exhilarating internal combustion vehicle that has come out in the past decade. And this is official from Alfa Romeo USA and from Stellantis themselves. Now, the current lineup of the high-performance quadrifoglio models is scheduled to conclude production this June, only a few months from now. And the information comes directly from Larry Dominique, who is Alfa Romeo's Senior Vice President for here in North America. And he posted on LinkedIn as well as Stellantis posting on Twitter, or X, shall I say. And they both collectively said that buyers interested in acquiring a Giulia or Stelvio quadrifoglio in their current form should place their orders as soon as possible. This is making the quadrifoglios that much more desirable. They're already kind of scarce to find, but now is it. It's over. You guys are going to have to get a quadrifoglio while you can, or you're going to have to find it on a used market. Now, Larry Dominique said in his LinkedIn post that, in quotes, Alfa Romeo quadrifoglio performance models bid farewell to North America for now. This is the final chance to own a quadrifoglio with only combustion engine technology as we continue our metamorphosis to an electrified future. But this is not the end of the story. Now, he also said in quotations that the opportunity to order a 2024 Giulia quadrifoglio or Stelvio quadrifoglio will close to North America at the end of April 2024. The last internal-only combustion-powered quadrifoglio models for US and Canada will exit the casino plant in June 2024. So really, if you wanted to order one new from the factory, spec it out yourself and get it here to the States, you have until April of this year, which is only 2 months. Now, this model is iconic. We've seen it on the channel. We've driven it on the channel. I just did a review of the first 2024 that we've had from a dealership on the channel 2 days ago. And we know this for the engine, the driving dynamics, the Ferrari-derived 2.9-liter V6, which Alfa Romeo's engineers has described as being inspired by Ferrari's 3.9-liter turbocharged V8. That produces 505 horses, 377 kilowatts, 512 PS, and 443 pound-feet, 600 newton-meters of torque. Now, the high-performance sedan and SUVs are admired for their impressive pace and their engaging driving dynamics, as well as special looks for the quadrifoglio models when it comes to carbon fiber, Alcantara, and more. Now, although the final examples of the Stelvio and Giulia quadrifoglio bound here for the US and Canada will roll off of the casino factory line in June 2024, well, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's the end of the quadrifoglio program for good. Hear me out. Dominique also specified that these will simply be the final internal combustion only models to sport the Alfa Romeo's lucky four-leaf clover. You know where we're heading here. As Dominique suggests, the brand is working towards an electrified lineup with plenty of plug-in hybrid and electric vehicles. Most relevantly, it is expected to introduce a successor to the Giulia with an all-electric powertrain in 2025, and rumors suggest that the quadrifoglio trim could make as much as 986 horses, 736 kilowatts, 1000 PS. But when you're talking about raw emotion and sound, you're talking about the quadrifoglios of today, coming into the market in 2017 and lasting until 2024. It's been a great run. Everybody pour one out. Salute to the quadrifoglios. I will have as many on the channel for this model year and previous model years as I can. So stay tuned for that. But how are you guys feeling? The end of an era. Did you buy one? Did you order one? Did you get yours in time? Especially here in the US and Canada. And what do you guys feel about the Cloverleaf heading to possible hybridized and electric models? Drop those comments down below. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. We will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.